Hey guys, today I'm gonna talk about something like that we realize sometime, right? The English that we are trying to practice, the English that we have been learning for a long time. It is very great way to learn and it is very great purpose. Many time, many of a student whom I teach and somebody they are learning English, they comes in contact and they ask, right, they ask many times that should I learn English, how long does it take, how to learn, what process we have to follow, what lesson you will gonna teach, what all these things are that we have to learn to become great in English. But in reality, the same methodology, I'm talking from India, we have never taught in a school, right? At the school time we used to go, hardly we had to learn, right, how to write, how to translate, and that's it. It was optional when we were to study. Nowadays the things gonna change, new generation they are getting chance to even a spoken environment, but still when it comes to correct pronunciation, when it comes to right methodology to speak, still there is no clarity in that case. And we struggle very hard to learn engineering, to learn math, to learn science. And why not? Because somehow we have to prepare for some competition, we have to prepare for something that will help us to crack the interview. But in reality, it never comes in our mind that we have to learn English. It is also an important part. It is a supplement, like that is a pattern, that is the way that makes us aware, that takes us at the right platform. Right, today I'm gonna tell you, right, let's say you have a small knowledge means you know your own language. It's all right, it's not bad at all to having our own knowledge, own dialect. But having own dialect, we only are surrounded with our people, we are only aware about our own culture, we are never gonna open more opportunities. So you are bounded, right, you are bounded to live within a certain area, a certain things, a certain knowledge, a certain opportunity. But once we learn it, once you get to know like a well English spoken, at that time we realize that the it has a great opportunity, right? We increase our capacity, we increase our area means the knowledge that we have, our own knowledge, so that takes us up to a such a fixed or a limited extent. But when it comes to English, so once we learn it, once you grab it opportunity, then we open, or it opens a very vast, very gigantic, very huge area. So there again you are welcome to have another opportunity, to have opportunity to connect with other countries people, a vast majority. And why not? Because knowing our own language, it's all right, we love that, that is a mother tongue. But when it comes to earning opportunity, first let it be, I'm not gonna talk about earning, but when it comes to know about each other, know about whole world, know about other thing that is beyond our own local knowledge, our own local language, so how would we know that? What is the methodology that will connect with these all things? So the English is not gonna give you opportunity to earn only. It's gonna make you aware about a lot of things that's happening nowadays in the world. And it's gonna give you more sight, more knowledge, more cognitive process, more intellectual fact that rarely we know if you don't know English, right? If somebody says that might be rumors, so hearsay is only propaganda. That is their idea. It is right or wrong. We never believe. We should never believe on that. But when it comes to own knowledge, let's say I have knowledge of English, or we can communicate with anybody, or we can hear, we can learn some any paper, and we translate that, we are able to narrate, we are able to understand each vocabulary, each narration story. So at least now we are expanding our zone, expanding our area. So now we are well aware what's happening worldwide, what are those aspects that we need to follow, because being in a certain area or knowing something about developed country, developed area, what they are doing, how technology is making a good person, how technology is helping people to earn money, right? Nowadays, earlier I was not aware, many people, they are earning a lot of money by monetizing their knowledge. So if you have knowledge, a skill, right, you can go, you can create your YouTube channel, you can monetize. It will take time, right? So there is no seed that you show on the in the soil and it grows all sudden. It takes time, but once you put your all effort, once you put logical effort, once you try your own real genuine effort to help other people by your knowledge, so that knowledge you're gonna monetize. So that knowledge, if you are monetizing, it means you are earning something by your knowledge, right? There are many other things that once you learn this language, even you don't know this language, you will get it. But what I'm saying about the English, because when you learn English, you get connected with many new aspects, many new things that you hardly know by using your own knowledge, own dialect, right? So once your area is grown, right, you are not within a certain area. Now your area is expanding, you are able to connect with other country people, you are able to connect with each part of the world people, right? What they are thinking, what is their methodology, what does he or what does she, and what do they follow to get something, what important thing is gonna invented in this world, what new thing we need to learn. These all things we can only learn by connecting with each other, to associating with right person. So only knowing our own language, let's say we know own dialect, own language, we can connect with only with a certain majority of people. But once you learn the other language, why I'm saying the English, because it has become second language for each country, as in global language, as in globally it has been used. So many people, many majority, they are educated, they are learning it, and they are trying to communicate with each other, right? And when it comes to learning, right, sometimes it becomes tough, because being a language, it is not some technology, it's not some practical thing that you are having some tools, you are gonna screw up tight, open, loose, and finally you got it by watching somebody. It is a language, so it can be achieved only by a speaking, only by understanding the logic, understanding the right way, right mentorship is required. Where to find, how to find, it is challenge, because it has come with me also. I faced a lot of challenge when I was not aware, when I was thinking to speak in English, but I was not getting a proper way. The same methodology, same federal system that is being used, and I was the part of that, so I didn't learn that. But when I got it, when I worked hard, and I decided why shouldn't I teach people, and then I start following the same method. See, the world is full of PhD people. Such PhD people, they will always come in your way and they will attack you. They will try to show that they have done PhD in remarking other mistake. So these people lies everywhere. They exist. So never ever care of these people. They people have done PhD for remarking, for noticing others mistake. So somehow they help also, because when you start learning English, same things happens here. I have faced many challenge, and many of people, they are trying to eliminate, they are trying to eradicate their hesitation, or they are trying to learn this language by opening their mouth, but they face such people. They are PhD in finding other mistake, in remarking other mistake, noticing other mistake. They will be typing comment, they will be asking, they will be telling that you are making mistake, you are doing this, you are doing that. So let it be. These people are very helpful. They will realize you, remind you, right, that you are making mistakes. So you have to work hard instead of on behalf of other statement, on behalf of other people remarks, you are gonna hide yourself. No, that is wrong way. You have to be a strong. So these people comes in the way to make you more strong, right, more and more strong. So if these kinds of people is coming in your way, so it means you have to be aware that they people are making you more strong. But yes, sometimes they might pass sarcastic comment, they might pass something, some statement that might hurt you. But let it be, it is the human psychology. And such PhD people will definitely come for sure. And I think you might have faced, you may have faced such people. You must be realizing. So for those people, never ever you need to dismiss your own journey, right? Never ever you have to eliminate, you have to hang up, you have to surrender with your own target. If you do that, it means you're gonna you're gonna never exist anywhere. So never ever we have to dismiss our own journey. Never ever we have to sabotage our own career on behalf of other people. So these people will always keep coming in your journey, right? So after completing that journey, still I find many people. I'm very good in spoken. I don't say I'm very good, but I am able. I have been talking with other country people. I have connected with many teachers. They are from other country, and I have been teaching English online. So I am good in that. Means I'm able to make people speak in English because the way that I have followed, the things that has come in my journey, the all obstacle that I have faced, I know these all things occurs in each people journey, right? Nobody gonna go with the clean road without traffic. Nobody will remark them. These all things they will get fresh. They will get free. No, these all things they face. So I know very well. That's why I decided, why shouldn't I teach? Why shouldn't I follow the right path? That definitely help a people. They are thinking to learn English, or yeah, it works and it's working. On behalf of that methodology, on behalf of that skill, I left my a good earning job and I have been teaching for last 3 years, right? And it's giving a great result, a phenomenal super result, and people are happy. The professional, their career are stuck somewhere because of this knowledge. They are not able to represent themselves in front of management. They are not able to say anything in front of anybody, even though they know I have all a student, they are good at English. But the problem is they need somebody who may give him faith, right? They have courage, but because of some irrational fear that never exists in reality, because of irrational fear, they are never gonna open their mouth. Why? Because they believe, they have a very strong faith that they will make mistake for sure. So when I teach them, I narrate this all story. I just try to give them faith, and I start gradually to cultivating the faith, to cultivating the idea, to cultivating their own strength. So one day, after a month or two, they start realizing that now I can speak, because I know already there are many things that I know in English, but the problem was I was not opening mouth in front of anybody. And that's why, because of this lackness, right, I was not feeling comfortable. I was very much frightened, freaked out because of others people remark. And when I start giving the same faith, because I know these all things that occurs for sure, people start learning it. It gives me happiness, it gives me satisfaction that the way I had thought, it's been it's happening, right? It's working. So instead of a person, he or she is thinking a lot of time that should I speak or not? Should I learn grammar? Should I learn vocabulary? What should I learn to speak well, to open mouth in front of anybody? Right? Should I learn action? Should I learn intonation? Should I learn pronunciation? So these all things somehow create confusion, right? People never get clarification, or if somebody types on Google, there are n number of lists that gives you different mindset, because many people they put their own opinion. So again it creates complexity, so we are stuck over there again. So to coming out of these all obstacle, to coming out of these all small thing, I started teaching after getting result. Now I am getting a student from around the world. See, here nobody gonna ask you that I want to become a native, I want to become that. The people they have a stuck, they only want, they are trying, they are no grappling to open their mouth, they wants to speak English, that's it. But the reality is, when I teach, I try at least to make them aware about phonetics, about the syllable, about the way of pronunciation, because these all things, phonetics, it means all letter sounds, and then syllable, and then pronunciation. If these things, these three combination somebody knows, it helps a lot. And for those they are working, they are professional, to speak in front of their manager is enough with right pronunciation. Only these small things was making them deprived to grab another opportunity, to get other job, or because of that they were helpless, right? Whatever things they need to do they were doing, but they have fear, right? Whether if I leave this job, am I able to get other job or not? They are very good in technical, they are great in their own profile, but the problem is they are not able to present, they are not able to reveal their thought. So these people, there are a vast majority of such people, they never care, they care like they want somebody they can mentor them, they can make them speak in English, they can make them you know super confident. Once they got it, it's a great opportunity for these kinds of people or those kinds of people, and they are gonna change their job, they are gonna grab other opportunity, another level. So once learning English is not only the showing up, learning English is having a skill, improving, increasing the cognitive process, intellectual mindset. So knowledge always helps. Never ever sit by thinking that I cannot learn. It is super easy. If somebody, let's say me or other person, they are non-native, they are speaking well English, it means it is easy, that's why somebody is speaking. So if somebody is speaking, just give faith, but don't give faith only, you have to make that priority. Many students come and they ask and they go, they never start action, they never initiate their action. But if they can start action, they will go for sure up to the extent wherever they want to go. If you stay, if you make priority for certain month, then after that you will definitely start speaking. This is the way, this is the process that somebody follow and he gets it, right? So knowing English is not only knowledge, it gives you knowledge, it gives you a earning opportunity, it gives you to connect with different kinds of people, it gives you a skill, right, to connect with multiple things, to knowing internally about many culture, many people real opinion. So what more we want, right? We only need these all things. We need prosperity, we need peace, we need knowledge, we need some earning so that we can fulfill our own family a requirement. We all have certain commitments, so by doing that, at least we are able to earn some money so that we can fulfill all commitment that we have. What else we need from this, right? So one English, the varieties, the things, the n number of certain things that can be grabbed by learning it. So start cultivating it from now. Start cultivating, right? Never ever think like I'll start next month, next week, next year. It never comes, right? We cannot bring back bygone day. The day has gone, has gone. We cannot bring back. So never ever wait. Start it learning. If I have learned, if somebody learning, you are the part of the same world, same planet. You can learn it easily. It's not that tough. Only faith, priority, discipline, right? Yes, this changes your whole perspective, whole point of view once you grab it. Thanks.